morning students. Today we will start with the chapter number 5, operations on rational numbers. So, what are rational numbers? We'll just recall. You have already learnt, but just we'll recall. Numbers in the form of m by n is a rational number where m is any integer, that is in the form of as numerator and denominator. Yes, m is any integer. It can be any integer. It can be negative. It can be positive. It can be zeros. And n is not equal to 0. Yes, m and n both can be any integer. M and n. M and n is any integer and n is not equal to 0. N cannot be 0. M can be 0 but n cannot be 0, but it can be any integer. So m by n, numbers in the form of m by n are called as rational numbers. Example given here, 5 by 7, 2 by 1, that is equal to only as 2 natural number. So it can be written as 2 by 1. So it becomes a rational number. 0, only 0 is a rational number. 7 by 9 is a rational because 0 can be written as 0 by 1. This 2 can be written as 2 by 1. Any rational number or whole numbers can be written denominator we can give as 1 and then it forms a rational number. So natural numbers and whole numbers or any integers are all rational numbers. 7 by n, 3, minus 8, minus 4, etc. are rational numbers. This minus 8 can be written as minus 8 by 1. It forms a rational numbers. Therefore, rational numbers includes, means it can include which types of numbers? Natural numbers. All natural numbers can be called as rational numbers. All whole numbers also can be called as rational numbers. All integers can be called as rational numbers, and also numbers in the form of m by n, like numbers like 7 by 6 or 8 by 13, all in this type of form of, or 0 by 7, all these type of numbers with the in the form of m by n are m by n, where m and n are any integer but n is not equal to 0. These are all rational numbers. Now we will learn operations on rational numbers, that is already you have learned operations on fractional numbers. Fractional numbers are only rational numbers. Already you have learned in 6th standards operations of rational numbers, that is, or operations of fractions, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions. Already you have learned. The same thing we are going to repeat here. So first operation is addition. Addition on rational numbers. Rational numbers. First of all, example. With only one example I will teach because already you have learned it. 6th standard. Suppose 5, 6 by 7 plus 4, 3 by 13 is there. Yes. Now, first of all, they are mixed numbers. So, convert them into improper fraction by multiplying and addition. Multiply, addition. Yes. So, solution, I will first write the question. 5, 6 by 7 plus 4, 3 by 13. Multiply, add and convert it into improper fraction. So 7, 5, 35, 35 plus 6 is 35, 40, 41. 41 by 7 plus 13 into 4, 52. 52 plus 3 is 55 by 30. So add this by cross multiplication. 7 into 13. Now, Cross multiply this 41 into 13 plus, put this sign, 55 into 7. So it is equal to as 41 into 13. 13 1 is 13, 3 carry 1, 13 4 is 52 plus 1 53. So it is 533 plus 57, 55 into 7, 7 5 is 35, carry 3, 5, again 7 5 35, 36 7 38, 385 upon, this is 13 into 7, 7 3 is 21, carry 2, 7 7 8 9, 91. Now we go to the next step. Now we have to add these two numbers. 3 plus 5 is 8, then 3 plus 8, 8, 9, 11, 11, 1, carry 1 here, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, upon 91. Now, convert, this is an improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction by division. So, 918 divided by 91, 91, 91, yeah, 91 1 is 91, minus 0, 0, bring down 8. It is not divisible, so put a 0. So this becomes the remainder. So the answer is equal to as 10 as the whole number. Upon come to this, remainder is 8 upon divisor as the denominator. So 10 8 by 91 is the solution of this operation, that is addition of rational numbers. Now we go to subtraction of rational numbers. Now, subtraction of rational numbers. Example 1. Suppose minus 5 2 by 3 minus 3 4 by 7 is there. Okay. Now, we are subtracting this. Okay, I'll take a simple example. Now, here also solution 5 2 by 3 minus 3 4 by 7. Multiply plus because they are mixed numbers, converted into improper fraction. So 3 5 is 15, 6 is 17. 17 by 3 minus 3 7 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 by 7. Now, this will be equal to as, take the LCM, denominator 3 into 7. Then cross multiply 17 into 7 minus 25 into 3. So this is equal to as 17 into 7. 7 7 is 49. Carry 4. 7 1 7 8 9 10 11. 119 minus 25 into 3 is 75 upon 7 3 is 21. This is equal to as 119 minus 75. You get a 4. 11 minus 7 is again 4. 44 by 21. This is an improper fraction. So, convert this as mixed number. So, divide 44 by 21. 21 2s is C, 2 1 2, 2 2s 4, 42. So, that means it goes 2s are very nearest. 21 2s is 42. Subtract, you get 2 as the remainder. So, therefore, the whole number is 2. And the remainder is again 2. And the denominator is 21. So, the solution here of this subtraction of rational number is 2 by 21. Now, let us start with the next topic, that is multiplication of rational numbers. So I have taken 3 examples here. See, 2 by 7. First example, 2 by 7 multiplied by 5 by 6. Here 2 and 6 can be cancelled. So therefore 2 ones are 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. What is left? 1 is left, 1 by 7 multiplied by 5 by 3. So numerator into numerator, 1 into 5 and denominator into denominator. So it is equal to 5 on the 5 upon 7 3 the 21. Now we go with the next one, that is second one. So minus 3 by 8 into 2 by 9, negative rational number. So this is equal to as. Here anything you can cancel, yes. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 2 1s are 2, 4s are is 8. So what is left? Here minus 1 by 4 is left, multiplied by 1 by 3 is left. So this is equal to minus 1 into 1 upon 4 into 3. That is equal to plus to minus is minus 1 by 4 3 is 12. Minus 1 by 12 is the answer. So for the next one, 0 multiplied by 5 by 9. So any number, this is a rational number, 0 is also a rational number. So 0 multiplied by any number is equal to 0 directly. No other solution. Finished. This is multiplication of rational numbers. Now we will learn multiplicative inverse. Next topic is multiplicative inverse of. Multiplicative inverse of. So if I take, suppose first one, 2 by 5, multiplicative inverse of, then the multiplicative inverse of of 2 by 5 is only 5 by 2. Just invert it. Then second example, suppose it is given as minus 5 by 30. Then the multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 13 is 13 by 5 and the negative number must be here only. We cannot write 13 by minus 5 because the denominator must not be negative. So this minus sign must be put to the numerator. So therefore it is minus 13 by 5. Only the numerical values get inverted and minus sign will remain where it is in that place only. Okay. Now this is multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 13 is the minus 13 by 5. This is all about multiplicative inverse. Now we go to the next topic, division of rational numbers. Already you have learned this in 6th standard. Still it is just revised. Of rational numbers. So division of rational numbers. Example, first one, yes. Now if I take a 3 by 7 divided by 5 by 12 suppose, or 5 by 14. So we cannot do division of rational numbers directly. We have to take the multiplicative inverse of the second rational number. So this is equal to as 3 by 7 multiply. Division becomes multiplication, and by taking the multiplicative inverse of rational number, that is 14 by 5. Now if anything can be cancelled, we have to cancel it. See, 7 and 14 can be cancelled. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So what is left? 3 by 1 is left, multiplied by 2 by 5. This step is just like this multiplication of numbers, rational numbers. So 3 into 2. So this is equal to 3 2s are 6 by 5 1s are 5. Nothing can be cancelled. So just multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So second example, suppose 2 3 by 8 divided by 5 by 7 by, suppose it is 10. Suppose. So these are mixed numbers. First of all, convert them into improper fraction. So 2 3 by 8 divided by 5 7 by 10. Multiply plus. So 8 to the 16, 17, 18, 19. So it is equal to 19 by 8 divided by 5 tens are 10 or 10 5s are 50. 50 plus 7 is 57 by 10. Now go to multiplication. So it is 19 by 8 multiply by, take the reciprocal, 10 by 57. So here you can cancel 8 and 10. 2 by 2 table. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are is 10. Then this is equal to as, see 19 3s are 3, 93s are 3 7s are 3 9, sorry, 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 3 1s are 3, 4 5, 57. That means 19 1s are and 19 3s are. So equal to 57. Now what is left? 1 by 4 is left here, multiply by 5 by 3 is left. So multiply numerator into numerator, 1 into 5 upon 4 into 3. So that is equal to 5 on the 5 by 3 4s are 12. So this is about division of rational numbers. Now division of rational numbers. One more example. Minus 3 by, suppose 10 divided by minus 2 by 15, suppose. It is given like this way. Now, division of rational number, this is equal to as minus 3 by 10. Here, you have to multiply by taking the reciprocal. So, it will be minus 15 by 2. Already I have told in multiplicative inverse E, minus 5 by 13 will be equal to as minus 13 by 5. So also here it is minus 15 by 2. Now 10 and 15 can be cancelled by 5 tables. So 5 to the 10, 5 3 is 15. So we are left with minus 3 upon 2 into minus 3 by 2. So minus into minus, minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 upon 2 into 2. Minus into minus gets converted as plus 9 and 2 to the 4. This is an improper fraction. So it can be converted into mixed fraction as 9 divided by 4. 4 to the is 8 minus 1 is left. So therefore the answer is 2 as the whole number. Then 1 as the remainder, 1 by 4. This is the solution of division of rational numbers. Now we go to the next topic, that is write 3 rational numbers that lie between 2 given numbers. See, these are 2 given numbers, that is 3 by 8 and 7 by 8. The denominator is the same. So we can write 3 rational numbers between. See, the numbers between here, we can write, see, 3 by 8. The numbers lie lie are 3 by 8, then 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8. We got exactly 3 rational numbers. 3 rational numbers that lie between the given two numbers. Therefore, the numbers are what? 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8 and 7 by 8. Finish. This is over. Now, but here if you see this example, 4 by 6 and 5 by 6 is there. Now between 4 by 6 and 5 by 6 there is no number. Yes, as like this way directly. So what we can do is that we can multiply both these numbers by 10 by 10. So multiply both the numbers by 10 by 10. So when I multiply both the 4 by 6 by 10 by 10 and 5 by 6 into 10 by 10. So it will be of what? 40 by 60 and 50 by 60. So therefore the numbers lie. The numbers lie are 40 by 60, then 41 by 60, then 42 by 60, then 43 by 60 and so on. You will have many more numbers, that is last will be 50 by 60. Okay. So we want only 3 rational numbers between them. Therefore the numbers are Therefore, the numbers are therefore the numbers are 40 by 60, 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 43 by 60 and we have many more numbers, last 50 by 60. Now, one more example of with different denominators. With the different denominators, suppose for example you have from your textbook, I will take one example so that you can do perfectly. Okay, I will take 7 by 8 and minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3. Denominators are different. So first of all we have to convert them into same denominators. So multiply like this way. 7 by 8 multiply by this denominator 3 by 3 and minus 5 by 3 multiply by this denominator 8 by 8. So we get so the numbers are therefore the numbers are now numbers are 7 3s is 21 upon 3 8s are 24 then and minus 5 8s are 40 by 3 8s are 24. Okay. Now we can go with the therefore the numbers lie. The numbers lie between R C. This number C minus 40 and 21 you compare. Which is greater? This is positive number, so naturally this is greater and this is smaller. That means already the order of this number is in descending order. So we have to write the numbers in the descending order. So the numbers lie between are 21 by 24, then 20 by 24, 19 by 24, then 18 by 24, and so on. We have minus 40 by 24. 3 only we want, we will write only 3. Therefore, the numbers are numbers are that is 21 by 24, 20 by 24, 19 by 24, 18 by 24, and so on, minus 40 by 24.